How has my postgraduate addiction studies impacted my success as a lawyer? Profoundly. It affects quite literally everything I do. In the driver's license restoration forum, the key to winning a license back is proving that you haven't had a drink and will not drink again. In other words, proving sobriety. Many people are sober, but they don't know the technical details of how or why they got there. Some went through programs, some did it on their own. People get sober as many ways as there are colors in the rainbow. My job is to put the words to that, to format that in a way that culminates as a winning license appeal. So I can talk to people and talk about their experiences, about why they ultimately put the plug in the jug. Nobody quits drinking because it's working out so well. How did you get to that decision? How has your life changed since then? In the context of DUI cases, again, it's profound. My postgraduate addiction studies enables me to understand how alcohol screening tests diagnose who does or doesn't have a problem, or scariest of all, who might be at risk to develop one. I make sure that my clients are thoroughly prepared to take that written alcohol screening test that's required in every DUI case and score as low as possible so that they don't get tripped up and tricked into counseling and classes that they don't need. For those clients who present with a drinking problem, I'm often able to help them understand through conversation how their relationship to alcohol has become problematic and difficult. Quite literally, every client I see and almost everything I do is affected by my postgraduate studies.